Gaming session at risk because of the Gamehelper module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the engineering grade steps to fix your installation. Don't let Gamehelper module slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Gamehelper module, frequently associated with localized repacks or custom launches. It manages the background verification of game updates and localized hardware compatibility checks. Because it initiates remote connections, it is a high-risk file for antivirus heuristics. Its absence results in the launcher failing to inject the game settings. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Errors involving Gamehelper module DLL typically indicate that the localized game utility orchestration files within your application are damaged, so reinstalling the specific software you are using that is throwing the error will refresh the local file tree and restore the module. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Gamehelper module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of Gamehelper module DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to Gamehelper module and system libraries. If Gamehelper module is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.